Hello guys, this is XX Heat43XX, and today we are updating Dr. Dreadful, and today is the aliens. Now, we are going to do the guts. Alright, here it goes.
That thing is crazy.
Here, I'll touch it.
What's this? Video link.
Alright. Now, let's take it out. Alright. Now, Mom, open the, will you open this? Now, we...
Wait.
No, this. That, the freezer. Now, you stick it in there, and you make it freeze, and it will come a cookie. When it is done, I will update another video. Hope you have fun.